Hello students, how are you? Let us learn more about air. Our today's topic is composition of air or what air contains. You must be thinking, what does air contain? Let's see. We know on heating water, it changes into water vapor. Also, how do wet clothes dry? You know, the heat of the sun changes the water in the wet clothes to water vapor, which rises up and adds to the air. Not just this, even the water from the water bodies gets heated up and rises up as water vapor due to the heat of the sun. So all this water vapor gets added to air. When something is burnt, what happens? The smoke is released and this smoke gets added to air. Even the smoke from various vehicles such as a truck gets added to air. The chimneys of the factories also release smoke which gets added to air. What did we see? We saw the smoke makes the air dirty. That is why the air becomes black. Whenever the sunshine enters the dark room, then we are able to see the dust particles present in the air. So we can say the air contains dust. You know what are germs? Germs are the small living things that make us ill. So whenever we cough or sneeze, these germs get added to air. So we saw the air contains many things such as water vapor, smoke, dust and germs. You know, there are other gases too present in the air. Apart from the water vapor, which we know is a gas, we breathe in oxygen gas present in the air. Not just us, the human beings, even the animals and plants also use the oxygen gas for breathing or respiration, which we will learn in upper classes gradually. There is another gas which is called carbon dioxide. This is the gas which we give out of our body when we breathe out, and this is the gas which is used by plants to prepare food. So plants use the carbon dioxide gas from the air to prepare food, and this is the gas we release or exhale out when we breathe out. Air contains many gases such as oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, etc. So air is a mixture of different gases. You know, impure or dirty air is not good for health. All the smoke, dust, germs, etc. make the air dirty. We should breathe in fresh and clean air to remain healthy. We always plant new trees because plants makes the air fresh and clean. We should not cut trees unnecessarily. We should improve domestic, industry and municipal waste management also. So now you know a lot about air and why it is important for us. That's all for now. We will soon meet with the next topic. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye. Take care.